Hello grade 2s, today we're going to be doing a science experiment using some Smarties, some warm water and a little plate. So if you get a normal box of Smarties, and what I've done is I've separated each color into groups of 4, and then you're going to start making a pattern. So you're going to put one next to the other, all the way around your plate like this. Okay, and then you make sure that they're all against the edge of your plate, like that. Then you take your warm water and you're going to pour it in the middle of the plate. So be sure to use a jug and ask your mom or dad for help. And you're going to pour it slowly into the middle of the plate until it just touches the Smarties like that. And then we're going to watch what happens. Can you see the colors are starting to go? It's going to make like a rainbow, because when warm water touches the Smarties, the colorant from the candy coated on the outside runs with the water. Just like when you hold sweets in your hand for too long and your hands get sweaty. How cool is that? So easy, very simple. You can do it at home. Send me pictures, send me videos, and I can't wait to see. You can use Skittles, you can use Smarties, and you can use M&Ms. I can't wait to see your beautiful rainbows. Have a lovely rest of your day, grade 2s. Bye-bye.